Hello everyone, I'm Miya from Autom Packaging Machinery. Today I'm going to show you our best-selling machine, model ATM-320D. This is our powder packing machine. It is suitable for packing the coffee powder, milk powder, flour, sugar powder, the chili powder, etc. Let's check the machine structure. This is the roll film installation structure, the whole one. Here is the color code sensor. You can recognize the color code on this film automatically and make the back length. When we put the powder into the powder storage hopper, inside, the auger screw can measure the target powder weight. This is the ribbon date printer. It can print the manufacturing date, expire date, and lot number. Here is the ribbon roll. This is the ribbon base. You can see this is the character. There are 3 lines here, 15 characters of each line. You can put the numbers or date inside these lines. Look at this back former. We shade the back. And this is the middle sealing device. This is the end sealing device. This is the 7 inches touchscreen control panel. You can press this English button. Then we can set the powder beater here. This is the independent temperature controller. It's the vertical sealer temperature. This is the end sealer temperature. It can control separately. Here is all the buttons. This is the power button, start 1, stop, emergency stop. The machine is made of stainless steel. The contacting material part is made of full grade stainless steel 304.